How to fix this device is disabled, code 22, error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Device Manager in Windows allows you to manage hardware settings. A disabled device will be flagged, and you can manually enable it from here. Locate the disabled device, it will have a yellow exclamation mark. Right-click on the device and choose Enable Device. Restart your computer. If that didn't work, outdated or incompatible drivers can cause devices to be disabled. Updating the driver can often solve this issue. If that didn't work, right-click on the disabled device. Choose Uninstall Device. Disconnect the device from your computer. Reconnect the device and let Windows reinstall the drivers. Restart your computer. Running Windows Update can resolve compatibility issues that lead to hardware being disabled. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.